It's going to be super straightforward. How you can buy one of these things. I got this for 15 bucks at a garage sale. How you can buy something like this that's not running, get it to run, and flip it on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, whatever you use. Take this guy off, and there's no air filter. Well, that's a problem. There's nothing but dirt going into the intake, which goes into the carb. So to say this thing will need a carb clean is the least. Next, we're gonna check for spark. Do yourself a favor, get an inline spark tester. They're like $5. So this end goes over the spark plug itself. And this end goes into the boot. Because it didn't have that air filter in there, look at the fuel. It's covered in dirt. Spring is also shot, so we're gonna go ahead and order that as well. Clean these up. These are all clean now. Alright, it's all clean now. It's still wet, it's gotta dry, so of course it's gonna look nicer. But I washed it, just covered the intake hoses. Make sure I don't get any water in the motor. And to give you guys a sneak peek on what's coming next, I completely gutted this thing in the process of putting new flooring and everything else in, so that's coming next. Clean now, just to show you guys all the crap that came off of it. I usually put this in the ultrasonic cleaner, but I just wanted to show you. It runs. I bought it for 15 bucks. Put 30 bucks worth of parts in, and I'll probably get about 150. I'll ask 200, but I'll probably get 150 for it. So a little over 100 bucks in profit. Good to go. This is all it took to do the work I'm doing today. 2 different pairs of pliers, a cheap little steel brush, a little pick to get the O-ring out of the carb, brush, a 10, a 12 millimeter, and a spark plug socket, wrench, 12 millimeter wrench to get the gas tank off. This is optional, you don't need this, but this is a 3/8 that's electric, makes the job easier, but that's it. You don't need a lot of tools to do these things. Get down. Sit. Good, Bubba's.